Hi guys, today I'm reviewing and swatching the Dot & Key Gloss Boss Lip Balm. These lip balms are very popular because it is tinted and very well pigmented. It comes in a paper box which has all the information on it. The lip balm comes in a squeezy tube. Previously it had a tube like this. Now they have come up with a new packaging. This squeezy tube is very easy to apply on lips. This lip balm has vitamin C and vitamin E in it. It comes with SPF 30, which makes it suitable to wear it outdoors. It also has castor oil, shea butter and avocado oil in it. It is vegan. They also have these tint meters to indicate how pigmented the colors will be. The product name is Gloss Boss Lip Balm, meaning that it is a lip balm with glossy effect. Yes, it does give eye shine finish, which is nourishing and moisturizing as well. But I would say this won't heal your dry and chapped lips. It is also tinted, like artificially tinted by adding colors to it, so it will not suit a sensitive lips like mine. I would say this acts as a lip gloss than a lip balm. I would prefer to use this as a lip gloss or on top of my lipstick. It is highly pigmented and has super glossy finish to it. This eye pigmentation can be both a pro and a con. For a lip balm, this is highly pigmented, which makes it not suitable for sensitive lips. On the other side, this tint covers even the pigmented lips. And when you take this off, it leaves a stain on your lips, which has to be removed with a micellar water. And that's why I told you it is more like a lip gloss than a lip balm. It is priced at Rs 249 for 12 gram of the product, which I think is rightly priced. If you are looking for a high shine lip gloss at affordable price, then definitely you can add this Dot & Key Gloss Boss Lip Balm to your cart. But if you are looking for a lip balm that heals your dry and chapped lips, then no. You need to use the real and serious lip balms in the market to heal your dry and chapped lips. Let's move on to the swatches. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have any doubts, do let me know in the comment section. Until then, I will see you in my next video. This is Mediti signing off. Bye bye, take care. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.